Hello! In this video, we will learn how to use the coordinate system. This is called a coordinate plane. There is a horizontal number line called the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis. To mark a location on a coordinate plane, we need two numbers. This is called an ordered pair. The first number in an ordered pair tells how many units to move to the right or left. We represent it with x, since the x-axis runs from left to right. The second number is how many units to move up or down. We represent it with y, since the y-axis runs up and down. To plot a point, we always start from the origin, point 0, 0. To plot the point 5, 9, we move 5 units to the right and then 9 units up. A point on a coordinate plane is called a coordinate. What is the ordered pair for this coordinate? This coordinate is right 3 and up 9 from the origin. The ordered pair is 3, 9. And that's how you use the coordinate system. See you next time.